Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add tickets in Tidio. It is pretty easy to do, alright? First up, you're going to want to log into your Tidio account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left pane. And as you can see here, there are a ton of icons right here. Well, all you have to do is just tick on inbox, alright? And here, just move your mouse a bit and go ahead over to tickets, which is right here, and click on this icon, which says create a ticket, alright? Click on it, and this page will pop up. What I'm going to do here is just type in the ticket subject, for example, your refund, all right? Then the customer's email address, all right? Where it says to, for example, the customer email at gmail.com. Once that's done, from sender address, you have the drop down here, but the only option is Tidio. Just select it, all right? And the priority right here, it's up to you if you want it low, normal, or urgent. As this is a refund, you might want to set it to normal or urgent, all right? And the assignee, if you have multiple people working on one Tidio account, and just look for your name right here. For example, here, I have here my name. I'm going to click on it. Now enter a ticket message. For example, hi, your refund request has been approved. Something like that, and just add in whatever you want right here at the bottom. All right, you can use these options right here if you want it to be in bold, italic, or underlined, the spacing or bullet list right here, or the list, and link. All right, click on link. If you want to add in some URLs, just go ahead and put that in here. For example, www.myaccount.com. hit on save. And once that's done, if you want to, you can click on this drop down right here, and you can submit as open, submit as pending, and submit as solved. All right. Since the refund request has been approved, you can go ahead and click on submit as solved, then hit on submit. Wait for the process to finish, and you're good to go. Your ticket was created. You can go ahead and click on show ticket right here if you want to review it. That's basically it. And that's how you add tickets in Tidio. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.